Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to properly solder a wire to 144 LEDs per meter type pixel LED strip. As you can see, there's actually very little gap between two LEDs and solder pads are bit narrower compared with the 60 LEDs per meter type. Here you have bigger solder pads and also the spacing between the LEDs are larger compared with the other. So this is easier to do than this. So let's do the hard one. So in order to get the maximum solder pad area for our project, so we need to cut it properly first. So I'll be using a paper cutter and I'll be cutting towards the other side of the LED, closest as possible to get the maximum area for the solder pads. So let me cut it and show you. First I'm gonna cut it with the place the knife properly and cut it closer to this LED. As you can see, I'm almost touching the LED, and then I'll cut the rest with a scissor. Carefully cut it out. So as you can see, we have cut almost at the edge of the LED, and here is the maximum solder pad width you can achieve in this case. And you have solder pads from this face side and also from the back. If you peel off the backing tape, you can see you can access the solder pads from the back side as well. So you can use either side, but I prefer to use this face side. So after cutting, now you have to remove this PU or silicone coating out of this IP68 LED strips. If it is not waterproof type, you can easily go into the next steps, but since this is waterproof, IP68 waterproof, here it is having a silicone tube as well as a silicone filling. So we had to remove it first before soldering. So now we need to cut it like not very deep, cut it shallowly to remove this silicone area. So I'm gonna carefully remove that area again, cut it closer to the LED chip and cut it halfway, and then you can carefully extract that silicone piece. See, as you can see, now it is cut, the contact pads are exposed, but as you can see, still there are some silicone residue is there on top of the solder pad. So we have to scratch it and take those extra silicone off to make a proper soldering connection. So I'll scrape it out with this same paper knife. Do it properly until you get the shiny, nice solder pads exposed. So now as you can see, it is pretty much exposed. Now let's add some solder to these pads. Let me put it this way. Don't keep the soldering iron too much on a single pad, because if the pad is overheated, it can extract it from the PCB. So make sure that you do not keep the solder iron too much there, and do a light tapping there. So as you can see, we have added some solder to all the three pads. Now it's ready to to solder with the wires. Now you can get like a wire like this, three core wire, and then cut it very straight. That will make the life easier for you. And then get a wire stripper and cut around I'd say 0.5 millimeter or so, 0.5 millimeter, 1 millimeter wire, and then you can apply solder to that pads as well, that wire ends. So as you can see, solder is applied to that as well. Now you can separate the wires around 1 centimeter like so, and then you get the solder applied LED strip. Since the color coding goes like white, red and black, so usually the arrow mark side is the black means the ground side, and the middle one is data, and the bottom one is 5 volt, the red side. So it goes as black, white and red, but here it goes as black, red and white. So we are usually gonna swap these two and solder like this, so it's very easier to identify for later on if you want to do a repair or something like that. So black means ground, white means data, and red means 5 volt positive. So let's connect. If you want, you can apply some more solder to the joint if you feel like the solder amount is not enough. Okay, as you can see, we now have a very nice secured connection. It is not going anywhere, so it is properly soldered with a nice shiny solder joint. And then if you want to make this waterproof, you can add some silicone or some hot glue and then cover with a heat shrink tube to make it waterproof. So this is how you do 144 LEDs per meter type pixel LED strips, the wire joining. So hope you guys have learned something today. So stay tuned for new how-to tips from Hasitech. Thank you very much.